I wonder what video I should make today. Oh hey, didn't see you there. And when you thought you'd seen the last of me, here I am with a plastic bag full of miniature plastic hands. This gotta be the weirdest one yet. I am officially retiring after this one. They're miniature plastic hands and they look so freaking real. This looks way too legit. Like, this actually looks real. I am honestly shook. I'm a little bit itchy around here. Wait a second, give me a minute. Let me just quickly fix my hair. Also, so many options for a thumbnail. Look at all the shocked faces I could do with this. Oh no, she didn't. I'm actually crying. This is everything. This is beautiful. You've probably already guessed by the title of this video, but for today's video, we're going to be making miniature foods but using these miniature hands. Everything I'm going to be doing in the kitchen today is going to be done with miniature hands. Yay! For a new video series, maybe. I've officially lost my mind, and that's the truth about my YouTube channel. This is when things get incredible. I honestly don't even know what to do with this. Everything I do is making me laugh, so I'm sorry. I'm gonna be laughing way too much throughout this whole video. We're actually gonna be making a full meal, so I'm gonna start with the dessert because it's always easier to start with the sweet stuff, and then we're gonna make the savory dish. I can't do much labor today, like I literally can't pick anything up. What is my life? But basically, I'm gonna be making a lasagna for savory, and I'm gonna be making some sort of cookies. I'm not entirely sure what cookies I'm gonna be making for dessert. Let's get started. So I actually decided that for dessert, I don't want to make just cookies because I've done miniature cookies before. So what I'm actually going to make is a cookie sandwich. So it's kind of like an ice cream sandwich, but in the center, in between two cookies, I'm just going to put some frosting. So I'm going to be using this cookie mix. Sorry, my hand nearly fell off there. I think you have to add 1 egg and also some butter, but because I'm not going to make the whole thing, I need to somehow use these hands to measure like 1/4 of an egg and 1/4 of a stick of butter, which is gonna be very difficult. So let's start by making the cookies for our cookie sandwich. Oh my god. Let me give it a good old shake. There we go. So according to the recipe, you need 1 egg and 1 stick of butter, except it's for the whole thing, so I need to crack an egg in this plate and then only use maybe 1/4 of it. Alright. Oh, let me put my finger in that tiny little hole, and it's so difficult to hold the eggs. Oh my god. I can't. Hey, we got the egg! Let's see if my miniature hands can crack an egg. I'm just gonna put the hands in it. Oh. Hey, that kind of worked though. I think I need to wash my hands. My hands are clean, so I'm gonna go and look for a spoon because we need to split this egg. This is so difficult. So we only need a little bit of the egg. Yes. Oh my god, we got it. Okay, it's not perfect, but we're doing it slowly. So here we've got the stick of butter. Once again, we don't need the whole thing. I'm just gonna scoop it with my own hands. Ew. The butter straight in. According to the instructions, all we have to do now is just mix the whole thing. And I was going to use a spoon, but I think I'm just gonna put the hands directly into the dough. Oh my god, this is not working. I've got no idea what I'm doing. Oh, it looks buttery though. Come on, something please happen. I'm gonna transfer the mixture into a plate because it'll be a lot easier to mix. Maybe I'm being blindly optimistic here, but I think this bit in the middle is kind of like cookie dough. It's very crumbly, but it does remind me of cookie dough. I got a fresh pair of hands and my jumper is ruined forever. So I'm gonna use my hands and try to make a cookie shape. Not too bad, I think. Okay. This actually looks pretty damn good. Like, it looks like it could actually be a cookie. They might not be all the same size, but it's okay. Perfect. I can't really do a good job of showing you guys, but this is what our cookies look like. At least we got 4 out of this, which is not bad because we can make 2 ice cream sandwiches. We're gonna make the lasagna now and then we're gonna cook everything at the same time because I think the whole thing needs like not even 10 minutes in the oven. So let's move on to the savory dish now. So here we've got the pasta sheets. I've already cooked this earlier, so this is cooked at least with my normal hands and not with these. So what I want to do now is I want to cut this to make our little lasagna. I've got the sauces and this is the size of the plate that I'm going to use to plate it. Oh my god. I kind of want it to be this size. I don't really know how. Oh, that is talent. Sipping the tea. So I need to get a knife if I can open my drawer. Oops. Do you guys think this is too big? Ah! These hands are gonna kill me. How do we do this? Ah! 1, 2. I think we might need a smaller knife, guys. Let's try with this. It keeps on trying to kill me. So. Oh, it's working. Oh my god, it's actually working. Yes. Ah, we're actually doing this. We're gonna attempt to do this with scissors. Hey, this could work. That's not too bad. We've got 1 layer down. We just need like 4 more. Oh. Hey, we've got 2 layers. And my hands are stuck in the scissors. My hands are literally all over the place. The Exorcist is shook. Maybe if I use my mouth. Oh my god! Look! Ah! I did it! I did it! I got 1 more sheet! We can officially start building our lasagna. So I'm gonna do 5 different layers of pasta sheets and then tomato sauce in between, and then on top some of this white sauce and cheese. Let's start with some of the white sauce. Put it right in the bottom to make it stick. And now let's start with this one. Oops, not perfect, but so let's try to get a little bit of tomato sauce now and put it. Oh my god, I'm surprisingly good at this. Alright, fine, that was maybe too much tomato sauce, but 1 more layer on top. Okay, a little bit more tomato sauce now. Okay, good, that was too much. Let's do some cheese in the middle as a surprise. Oh no, the tomato sauce should have been first. Oh my god, this is gonna be a mess. In proportion to the cookies, this makes no sense, but who comes to my channel for logic? Like literally nobody. Ooh, so 1 more scoop of the tomato sauce. I'm trying to get more of this white sauce. I don't want to use this other hand because it's covered in tomato sauce. I'm just gonna dip this in the cheese and just peel it off on top of it. I didn't realize this was gonna be miniature gourmet food because that looks pretty good. Oops, I don't really know how I'm supposed to hold this tray and take it to the oven, but we gotta do this. Okay. It's fine. It was gourmet anyways. I am so incredibly happy with the cookies because they actually turned out fine. I mean, they look a little bit too crunchy because I left them for way too long, but so I'm gonna flip them because I want to put like icing in the center. That's gonna be like the ice cream. I just realized this probably just looks different. We're gonna get the icing Oh my god, this is gonna be really hard. Actually, it's not too difficult. Oops. That looks so weird, these tiny little hands squeezing this out. So now I'm gonna grab the top cookie, put it right on top, and then create a little ice cream sandwich. Wait, from this side, it looks fine. And then I thought we could decorate it like, oh my god. Oh. Ah, I'm getting really upset at this. So now I'm gonna roll this on it, on the sides. But I have a feeling this is not gonna have the effect that I'm looking for. It's like a birthday cake sandwich. I invented this. For the other two, I'm just gonna do a little bit of icing on top. And then we're gonna sprinkle it on top directly. So we're gonna move on into plating the lasagna and the cookies as well, and just make it all look pretty with my miniature like fork and my miniature spoons. So the first thing I'm gonna plate is the little ice cream sandwich, because pretty easy to plate. Hey, that actually doesn't look too bad. I don't think I've shown you the lasagna yet. It looks a little bit messy. Oh my god. Wait. I mean, it's not terrible. It's messy. Guys, I don't know what I'm doing. This keeps on... Okay, that's not bad. I need my tiny fork next to my lasagna, and that's basically it. We officially made a miniature lasagna and a miniature ice cream sandwich just using these tiny little gross hands that I've been through so much today. Thank you. We brought this concept all the way here. Of course we're gonna eat this using my miniature hands, which I think is going to be hilarious. What a challenge this was. I still can't believe we actually produced something. I mean, it's not perfect, but I'm hungry and I really want to try the lasagna especially. This is like a vegetarian lasagna. I'm just gonna put the fingers straight into it. Oh. This looks so incredibly wrong, I can't. Wow. Oh my god. That's really good. I thought it was gonna be terrible. Give this video a like if this is the most disturbing thing you've seen on my channel. I should probably wash my tiny hands in between, but ain't nobody got time for this. My only criticism to the lasagna is that it was very, very small, because in terms of flavor, it was great. So I'm very excited for the cookies. Wow. It's pretty good. And that was today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a like. Like, I honestly can't do a like. Give this video a high five. Or like, I don't know. Also guys, don't forget to subscribe and switch my notifications on. Just press that bell. I mean, how could you ever say no to pressing that bell with this tiny little hand? Like the video, the notifications. I hope you had a good time. I had an amazing time. I actually saw a similar video from a girl who was doing her makeup using these tiny little hands, and I thought this would be really funny with food, so I'm gonna put her video in the description down below. Was this fun? Is this something that you guys want to watch again? Definitely let me know in the comment section, because I don't know if this is like enough for a series or not. Like, this is fun, but maybe it's like a one-time thing, but you guys let me know. I love you guys. I hope you had a good time, and I will see you guys on my next video, which is probably gonna be in 2 days. Bye bye.